Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Well, all my peanut butter lovers, I got a treat for y'all. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a peanut butter bread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com, delicious, full of peanut butter goodness, and the best part, only 5 ingredients. Everybody's going to fall in love with this bread, perfect for breakfast, brunch, and also for a snack. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more bread recipes, check out my bread recipes playlist and my previous video, Blackberry Cobbler. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your peanut butter, your loaf pan, and get your oven heating up, sugar, because we're about to bake some peanut butter bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is measure up our dry ingredients. We need 1 3/4 of a cup of self-rising flour. So we're going to use my half a cup measurement. We need this twice. Fluff it up. And level it off. And voila, perfect half a cup. Gonna place it into my bowl with my sifter, or you can whisk it if you like. Now we need 1 more. Again, fluff it up. And level it off. A perfect cup of flour. Now we need 3/4 of a cup. Gonna use a half a cup. Now we need 1/4 of a cup. Perfect 1/4 of a cup. So now I'm going to sift this together. And that's our 1 3/4 of a cup of self-rising flour. Now we're going to set this aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, or you can use crunchy peanut butter. And into our peanut butter, we're going to add in 2/3 of a cup of packed light brown sugar, 2 large eggs at room temperature, and 1 cup of whole milk at room temperature. Y'all know how much I love my evaporated milk, but I decided to use whole milk for this recipe. Give everything a quick whisk until it's well blended. You can also use a hand mixer if you like. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish whisking up my wet ingredients, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through whisking up my wet ingredients. So now it's time to add in our self-rising flour. Whisk this in gradually so we don't get any lumps. Alright, last of the flour. And whisk this in until everything's well incorporated. Love the smell of peanut butter. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our bread batter is complete. See how nice and thick that is? And creamy. That looks great. And how simple and easy is that? Simple 5 ingredients. Now we're ready to pour our batter into our pan. We're going to pour it in my loaf pan that I sprayed with baking spray flour, or you can grease it with butter and flour. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my batter into my pan, so now I'm going to shake it and bang it to get the air bubbles out. Now we're ready to put our bread in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let it bake for about 50 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my peanut butter bread out of the oven. Yeah, the smell is heavenly. Nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to let my bread cool in the pan for about 15 minutes, and then I'll place it onto my cake stand, and I'm going to let it cool completely. Alrighty, my friends, our bread is nice and cool. We're ready to cut them into slices. Using my bread knife. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. And there you have it, my friends. 5 ingredient peanut butter bread. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The bread is moist. It tastes just like a peanut butter cookie. You can spread it on with some jelly, make it like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh yes. This peanut butter bread is divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Peanut butter, breadlicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.